Namaste, aspirants. Welcome back to EduVoc Daily Current Affairs Podcast. I'm your host, and this is your essential dose of current affairs for September 3rd, 2025. Guys, today's episode is packed with high impact news that going to be crucial for your upcoming SSC and bank exams. We are covering everything from India's semiconductor mission to major Supreme Court judgments, from natural disaster to international diplomacy. Before we dive in, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Today's we have 9 power packed segment covering economy, polity, disaster management and international affairs. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Starting with the biggest economy story, India's march towards becoming the global semiconductor powerhouse. Prime Minister Modi at Semicon India 2025 announced that India will soon hold the significant share in the global semiconductor market, which is set to reach $1 trillion. PM called semiconductor as digital diamond. $18 billion, it means INR 1.5 lakh crore. Investment committed towards the 10 projects. India achieved 7.8% GDP growth in Q1 financial year 2025-26. First made in India Vikram 32 processor presented to PM, designed by ISRO and Semiconductor Laboratory Chandigarh. Remember, India is currently the world's 5th largest economy. This semiconductor push is a part of achieving the $5 trillion economy target. Huge constitutional development. Guys, the Supreme Court has given a landmark observation that will be crucial for your polity preparation. 3 Supreme Court judges orally observed that governors cannot sit endlessly over bills placed before them for assent. Article 200 deals with the governor's power to assent to bill. Tamil Nadu argues governor cannot assume to be royalty in a public. West Bengal's council said high offices must work collaboratively, not combatively. This connect to Article 163, aid and advice to governor, and Article 356, President rule. Important judicial development that connects to current affairs from 2020. Crucial update. Delhi High Court denial bail to former JNU student Umar Khalid and activist Sarjeel Imam in the 2020 Delhi riots case. Court said their actions appeared premeditated. They were in constant touch with each other. Speech content was deemed in incite public disorders. Maharashtra government formed a special committee for OBC certificate to eligible Maratha community members. Manoj Jarange Patil's hunger strike. Committee will scrutinize documentary evidence for Kunbi caste certificate based on 1918 Hyderabad Gazette classification. Applicants must show agricultural and land ownership before November 21st, 1961. Maharashtra has 36 Lok Sabha seats and 288 assembly seats. Yamuna River crossed the evacuation level of 206 meter in Delhi, forcing authorities to move residents to relief camps. Key technical points. Warning level is 204.5 meter, danger level is 205.33 meter, and evacuation threshold is 206 meter. 12,500 residents relocated from 6 vulnerable districts. Yamuna is 1376 km long, originated from Yamunotri Glacier and is the longest tributary of Ganga. Singapore Prime Minister Lawrence Wong arrived in India for talk with Modi. making 60 years of diplomatic relations. Key highlights: will inaugurate phase 2 of PSA Mumbai Container Terminal, focus on defense cooperation and economic partnership, part of the India's Act East policy and Indo-Pacific strategy. Singapore capital is Singapore City, currency Singapore dollar. Technical but important development for banking exam aspirants. Supreme Court ordered State Electricity Regulatory Commission to clear the regulatory asset within 4 years and cap them at 3% of annual revenue requirement. Banking connection: regulatory assets is equal to unrecoverable revenue gap between the costs and collections. Creates cash flow pressure for DISCOM, distribution companies. Impacts power sector lending by bank. Major manufacturing and trade policy announcements. Against US 50% tariff hike, NDA state will launch 3-month Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign from September 25th to December 25th, 2025. Key economic data: TCS wins $550 million contract with Danish insurer Triag. GST rationalization discussion ongoing. Focus on local manufacturing during festival season. Remember, Make in India launched in 2014 and Atmanirbhar Bharat announced during COVID-19 in 2020. Rapid fire coverage of other crucial news. Afghanistan earthquake toll crosses 1400 and magnitude 6.0, affecting Kunal province. BRC suspends K. Kavitha for anti-party activities, daughter of former Telangana CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Made in India Vikram 32-bit chip, advanced version of Vikram 1601 used in ISRO launch vehicles. Center to buy cotton at MSP without limits, important for agriculture policy. Alright aspirants, that's a wrap on today's Power Pack Current Affairs session. Before you go, smash the like button if today's session was helpful, subscribe for daily updates and share with your fellow aspirants. This is your host signing off from EduVoc. Keep studying, keep growing, and we'll see you tomorrow with another Power Packed session.